What's up guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we are going to apply a vinyl overlay onto our reflectors back here. We're going to be doing a 50% smoked color over this, just to kind of tone down the red a little bit. I wasn't really planning on doing this, but I was poking around on eBay and saw this company, Crux Motorsports. They do all kinds of vinyl overlays, all kinds of cars, different colors, different tints, and I wasn't really thinking about doing it, but they sent me a coupon, so it was really inexpensive, and I got the box right here. And you can see in here I've got my overlays, which we're going to get out of there, and they sent me a couple stickers, Crux Moto, and these were $10 with the coupon, and so we're going to install them today and see what it looks like. Here's how they look on the paper. And it also has these little instructions. Now this is air release vinyl, so we can do a dry application. We're going to clean the surface with an alcohol wipe, and then when we're all done and we get it on there and it looks good, then we're going to just put a little heat to help it set with our heat gun here. I also have this little vinyl tool. I've done a little bit of vinyl work in the past, so I'll probably just use this to help me kind of get any air bubbles out and tuck it. But it's such a small job, it might not even need it. You can see on here it has a DS. That's for the driver's side, so that's what we're going to do first. We shouldn't even be touching this. And I'm just going to my best. Try and that looks pretty good. I don't want to push it down until I know it's good. A little wrinkle. Oh, look, that went on really nicely. Like it's always stinks. I can see a few bubbles. There's a little overlap, but I think the heat will help straighten all that out. That's just, so it's kind of bubbling up from the text on the numbers. So when I hit that with heat, that should straighten that right out. I think that's good. Those damn letters. It wants to bubble up on the letters. Hopefully that's good. Now we'll throw some heat on it. Keep this pretty low and just use my tool here to tuck anything that's kind of poking out. And I can see it setting up around those letters now. How's it look?
Lovely.
Is it shrinking up around the letters? This one I had a little extra on the bottom, the other one I had a little extra on the top. And the top on this one wasn't sticking good, so I'm just putting my tool in and kind of holding it up there while it cools. It seems to be kind of setting around that top edge. I mean, it's cool because this is in the back, so it's not going to receive a bunch of weather. I got a couple little imperfections in there. I'm hoping the air release will get those out of there, but not too bad. Let's take a look. Definitely darker. Seem to match all the black gloss trim a little better now. Before they were really popping and compared to the taillights, and now the taillights are a little more prominent and they seem to blend in with the trim a little better. I really like it. I really like the way this turned out. Very simple mod, something easy to do for just about anybody. I'll make sure I put links to all the tools that I used in the description below, and I'll also give you a link to Crux Motorsports. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Let us know what else you'd like to see from our Integra or anything else we got going on. And thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.